video I am going to tell you how to use draw tool in the Picsart application. So if you want to draw anything on your picture or from scratch or on a blank sheet, you can just use this tool to draw everything you want to draw in the Picsart application. So for that you need to open your photo in the Picsart application, then slide down and click on draw, and after that it will open a window, and now you have many options here to draw anything on your picture. So for example, I want to just use this brush. This is like that, and you can just click on this and adjust size and opacity, and click on color to adjust the color of the brush. Now this brush is white color, and now it is another brush. You can see here you have many options of brushes, right? So you can just explore this by checking every brush. This is a sprinkle type brush, and now you have many brush. Okay, this is something different I have seen here. So you can just also explore brushes here. You have many options. Okay, so here is a eraser. You can just click on that and you can just erase, or you need to click on that and increase the size to erase at one time. uh, and now you have a fill option. So this maybe work on only uh, premium option, and you can add shapes as well. Okay, and if you want to add any object or picture, you can just click on object, and then you can add any object as well.